to channel. For today, we're going straight into the daily Cipher Morse code today. And the word for today is fake, which is S-T-A-K-E. S-T-A-K-E. So for the word S, for the letter S is short tab, short tab, short tab. The letter T is long tab. For the letter A is short tab, long tab. For the letter K is long tab, short tab, long tab. And for the letter E is short tab. So we'll be going into it. Don't forget to like our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, let's launch into it. We click on daily cipher and then we apply our code. We apply the Morse code. Okay, so for S, short tab, short tab, short tab. We have the S. For the T, we have long tab. For the A, we have short tab, long tab. For the K, we have long tab, short tab, long tab. For the E, we have short tab. Okay, so that's that for today. Take the price, the code is cracked, you are a real detective. Okay, thank you. Have a lovely day. Bye.